two top contenders in online selling, Wix eCommerce or Ecwid. Both promise the perfect store, but which one really delivers? On the left, Wix eCommerce, the all-in-one site builder for creative selling. On the right, Ecwid, seamless e-commerce everywhere you want to sell. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
Let me give you a quick look at the categories we're going to compare. Here's the mind map. Pricing, ease of use, core e-commerce features, website builder and customization, integrations and multi-channel, performance and SEO, and last but not least, support. We'll run through each one, find the quirks, pros, and the all-important winner. Let's jump in. First up, pricing. Wix eCommerce jumps in with some pretty attractive starter prices, right? You get that all-in-one subscription deal, which seems awesome until you start adding those extra apps and premium plans. Plus, yeah, there are transaction fees depending on how you set up payments. It's kind of a moving target if you scale up. Now, Ecwid, okay, here's something cool. They actually have a free plan for up to 10 products and don't hit you with additional transaction fees. Their plans kind of grow with your business, which feels smart. But let's be honest, the entry plan is pretty limited, and unlocking premium tools means jumping up a tier or two. All things considered, Ecwid squeaks ahead for pricing. Let's move to ease of use. Wix gives you that AI setup assistant, a neat touch, and their drag-and-drop builder, super intuitive. If you're into visuals, you'll love it. But there's a catch. After you publish your template, you're kind of locked in. And honestly, if you want serious customization, things get complex fast. Ecwid, though? Blazing fast setup, like less than 30 minutes. Even for beginners. You can add a shop to any website. No code needed for the basics. Want advanced stuff? Yeah, you might want to brush up on CSS or grab an app, but for most folks, super simple. So, Ecwid takes ease of use for the win. Onto those core e-commerce features. Wix is no slouch here, with a wide range covering standard products, bookings, events, and you can tweak product options however you like. Sounds good, right? But look, there's no advanced product hierarchy or sub-collections, and it doesn't do multi-channel by default. Now, Ecwid is more about selling everywhere. Web, social, even Amazon and Google Shopping out of the box. Bulk editing inventory is a breeze, and it handles big catalogs without drama. Again, entry plans skip some advanced tools, and you'll want better SEO options if you're hardcore. But for core features, Ecwid is definitely more e-commerce forward. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Ecwid lets you drop a full-powered store into literally any existing website. WordPress, Blogger, Squarespace, you name it. That's completely plug and play. And honestly, kind of game-changing if you already built your site elsewhere. Website builder and customization. Now, this is where Wix flexes. The drag-and-drop design tools are actually fun. Loads of professional templates, and you can tweak a ton of stuff for all sorts of sites. But yep, the template lock-in after launch is a thorn. On the flip side, Ecwid's builder is kind of basic. The real trick is you can just embed your store into whatever builder or site you already have. So if you want ultra fine-tuned design, it's not really focused on that. Clearly, for building a beautiful custom website, Wix is the champion. Next, integrations and multi-channel. Wix supports some native integrations, bookings, memberships, that kind of thing. But honestly, if you want to go deep, you're heading into third-party app territory fast. Ecwid, though, nails it. Add your store to literally any platform, WordPress, Joomla, whatever, and sell across Facebook, Insta, Amazon, and Google Shopping, even headless e-commerce if you want to get geeky. Sure, some fancy integrations need a higher plan or an add-on, but the flexibility here, seriously impressive. That's a clear win for Ecwid. Performance and SEO. Gotta keep your site speedy and seen, right? Wix has built-in SEO settings and a personal touch with suggestions, but there are some slow load concerns, and that template lock can make advanced SEO a pain. Ecwid comes in clean, with no transaction fees muddying SEO stats, and when you embed, the code's lean. The only hesitation is for those wrangling huge or complex sites, as you'll need to put in extra work, and they don't toss in pro-level SEO tools at the entry level. Still, for most, Ecwid wins this matchup. Last one, support. Wix, pretty decent help center, and a big community. Personal support? Well, unless you upgrade, don't expect VIP treatment. Ecwid's team is solid, and they help with migration and setup. Actually, kind of refreshing. But if you have tough technical questions, might need premium support. Between the two, Ecwid edges out with better help for starters. Let's take a quick visual spin through how these two stack up across pricing, features, builder, and everything else. You can see Ecwid sneaks ahead in more categories, especially multi-channel stuff and ease of use. Wix holds strong when you care about full-on site creation and visual design. So, at the end of the day, what's the move? If you're dreaming of a stunning new website that does it all under one hood, go Wix eCommerce. If you want to sell everywhere, fast, or already have a website ready, Ecwid is honestly a better fit. For pure e-commerce hustle, especially scaling up and multi-channel selling, Ecwid just works. Like this Wix versus Ecwid rundown? Stay tuned and follow for more insider e-commerce tips. You never know what awesome tricks or hidden hacks we'll uncover next.